What's up, world? It's your boy Overtime Sims, and you're watching OTT.
One I did yesterday focused on like being a blurred in the '90s, because when I was a kid, we didn't have much representation on the screen. So what we did have, it may not have been great, but it's what we had,
Right.
and that's what made it so great. Like I tell people, like, oh, everyone gets props for like Blade being like the first black superhero, or Spawn being the first black superhero, or Spawn being the first R-rated comic.
Right.
But people forgot in 1993, Robert Townsend, he did Meteor Man.
Meteor Man, yeah.
So technically, that makes Meteor Man the first black superhero film.
And when did David
1993.
Wayne's movie come out?
Blank Man?
Blank Man, when did that come out?
A little bit after, but it was around that same time.
Yeah,
too.
Meteor Man.
So
that's my favorite. It's one of my favorite movies.
With the Golden Lords.
The Golden Lords.
But like I said, we didn't have much back then. So like the fact that we had like a family film, a black film that was like black produced. Robert Townsend did a lot for black people that people don't know about, especially behind the scenes. He had his own studio. He had a predominantly black cast, crew, produced all that stuff, and it made Meteor Man. While it may not have been the best thing ever on screen, not even close,
right?
But we had representation. I think I did one with Mario Van Peebles.
Okay. He
had a movie called Solo. Was it a bad movie? Sure. Was it a Universal Soldier ripoff? Of course. But it's
Universal Soldier, but black.
Exactly. And we had representation on the screen. He was like an android who discovered his humanity and decided he couldn't kill or kill for the wrong reasons or something like that. But again, we didn't it wasn't a stereotypical what we had on the screen. So we had like a black action movie, role thing going on. What else did I do with that 90s thing? There was a show that Fox produced like years ago. I want to say it was like 96. It was called Mantis, and that was the
about the
guy who got shot. He got shot in the spine, and he decided to make this exoskeleton suit. And when he made a skeleton suit, he decided to he had strength and all this other stuff and abilities. So he decided to be a superhero.
Right.
And again, we didn't have that on TV. Like this is Fox prime time.
Party and I just want to